Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be talking about the thing that these days we have a lot of online PDFs. We have a lot of Telegram channels where we refer for, say, topper notes and other notes that come up. So we're gonna discuss whether all of these materials are really useful and how and when to utilize them. So first of all, coming to online notes and PDFs, there are various websites like certain coaching institutes themselves have their websites where they're providing a lot of short notes, a lot of reference materials for different subjects. For example, I remember using the Vision IAS website to refer to smaller topics which are part of the syllabus but not really covered anywhere in static books like internal security, social issues, etc., to get the basic reference material from which I could build on things. So, as such, I was not completely referring to that material all the time. I just had an initial reading of that particular material, after which I made my own notes or I made my own inferences, and I never really went back to it at any point in time. But it was acting as a reference material, it was acting as a basic theory material which I could refer to get an idea, after which I built upon. I had developed my own skills of making my own notes and adding a lot of recent examples, value additions, etc., making it a part of my own notes. So that is one fond memory of utilizing the online PDFs. Coming to the Telegram channels that provide the toppers notes. So as you all know, I have not really shared my notes in the online space. This is because of my interpretation of how this works. Because during my time also, I think I had downloaded some kind of topper notes for sociology, which was my optional, and I had religiously printed them out. It was like 300 like 250 300 pages odd. I printed out all of those notes and I made it into a file and all. I tried reading it in the beginning, but that did not really work out because. Initially, though, I felt that this is going to be a one size fits all. I will have this one stop destination where I can cover all my requirements as well, and I may not prepare notes on my own, etc. But I could never really rely upon that particular topper knot, not because the topper knot was not good, but that was not curated to my requirement, or neither language was suiting my requirement. No was I understanding the way in which it was curated. So I would suggest you to not really completely rely upon any particular topper note as such, because whatever the topper is created, it is because of his requirement, is based on his comprehensive understanding of a particular subject, that after multiple readings and after multiple interpretation is when a person would form his or her own note. So that thing, when you instantly rely upon it without initial readings or without having your own comprehensive understanding of the subject, that becomes kind of difficult to understand, difficult to comprehend, difficult to utilize in your own requirements, etc. And that'll become a waste of your time and effort. So, I also did not share my notes because I certainly believe that there are a lot of notes available in the online space, but then creating your own note is so very crucial to understand which are the difficult areas that you are facing and where you need a substantiation or a note making process, and which are the topics where you feel difficulty and you need to make it into your own easy language for you to read and revise multiple times. So in the time of examination also, if it is in your own language, if it is a note that you yourself created, there is nothing like it, and the ease of revising will be much more. So I would suggest you to utilize the online PDFs, or for that matter online notes on a case to case basis, just as a reference material. For the initial part of the reference which you want to make, you can definitely utilize it, but on a larger scale, as a revision material day before the examination, I would never suggest to you to have any topper notes. I've not really had seen people who are using a topper note to that extent of day before the examination, because I think everybody would be facing the similar situation where initially they'll feel the urge to utilize the topper notes to the last mile, and they'll feel that this is the one stop destination for all their problems and their solutions, but it is not really that case. So it's a subjective experience. My personal experience also suggests that I think I've kept it untouched after that, because initial effort to read was there, but that did not really materialize. So I hope that you try to make your own notes wherever you feel it is difficult. For even for prelims, as the prelims is nearing, I would not recommend you to like create notes for everything, each and everything. That is not required. Wherever you feel that there is a difficulty, the areas, the points, the incidents which you keep on forgetting, their timelines, maybe their years, their dates, their important personalities, that is where you need to create notes, or some sort of a easy mnemonics which help you remember better. So I hope this particular topic has been duly addressed and your queries are resolved. So other than this, if you have any particular query with respect to this particular topic, you can let me know in the comment section. I hope you're preparing really well for the upcoming prelims. And I wish you a very happy day of preparation and all the best. So until the next video, it's a goodbye from me. Thank you so much.